Visit us on onestepenglish.com.
Business English. Vocabulary, Part 1.
Let's learn English. Today, we will learn about some terms that are common at the working place.
These words that we're going to learn can also be used daily or in public.
The first word is hired. It happens when you are officially accepted into a new job at a company. Hired. Here's an example.
I just got hired on the company that I applied for yesterday. Wow. That's great news. We should celebrate.
The second word is employee. It refers to someone who has a job in a company. Employee. Here's an example.
He's the employee of the month since he is very dedicated to his job.
Congratulations, Joey. You deserve it.
The third word is employer. It refers to a person or organization that employs people. Employer. Here's an example.
My new employer is still young, but she's very dedicated to her company. I feel like she's a good leader to all of you.
The fourth word is colleagues. These are the other employees in a company. Colleagues. Here's an example. These are my colleagues, Sheila and Jason.
Hello. It's nice to finally meet you all.
The fifth word is supervisor. It refers to someone who has a higher rank and responsible for the other employees. Supervisor. Here's an example.
Our supervisor set a meeting at 5 p.m. Everyone should be there, including you.
Okay, I'll be there. I'll just have to finish this paper.
The sixth word is full-time. A term that is used for work that covers 40 hours per week. Full-time. Here's an example.
Even though I didn't finish college, I still got full-time work.
It's because you're a hard-working person. The seventh word is part-time. It is used to describe a job that has lesser hours than a full-time work. Part-time. Here's an example.
I have to take a rain check. I need to do my part-time work tonight.
It's okay, I understand. Let's just go out in your free time.
The eighth word is flex time. It means that an employee can set its own schedule or time. Flex time. Here's an example.
I wish I got a flex time work, so we can go out on a weekday.
That's fine. You'll find a nice job that will have that kind of setup.
The ninth word is shifts. It means the working hours are not the same every day. Shifts. Here's an example.
I have different shifts, so it's really hard to find a good time to go out of town. I know. I usually can't come with my family whenever they plan to go somewhere.
The last word is overtime. It means to work extra hours in addition to the standard schedule. Overtime. Here's an example.
I have to overtime. I need to finish my presentation for tomorrow.
I'm done with work. Do you need some help?
Let's practice your English.
Ready your pen and paper, then try to answer the exercise.
Choose the correct answer.
Number 1. It happens when you are officially accepted into a new job at a company.
Letter A. Hired.
Letter B. Supervisor.
Letter C. Overtime.
The correct answer is letter A. Hired.
Number 2. It is someone who has a job in a company.
Letter A. Full-time.
Letter B. Shifts.
Letter C. Employee.
The correct answer is letter C. Employee.
Number 3. It is a person or organization that employs people.
Letter A. Flex time.
Letter B. Employer.
Letter C. Colleagues. The correct answer is letter B. Employer. Number 4. These are the other employees in a company.
Letter A. Colleagues.
Letter B. Supervisor.
Letter C. Part-time.
The correct answer is letter A. Colleagues.
Number 5. It is someone who has a higher rank and responsible for the other employees.
Letter A. Hired.
Letter B. Supervisor.
Letter C. Overtime.
The correct answer is letter B. Supervisor.
Number 6. It is a term for work that covers 40 hours per week.
Letter A. Full-time.
Letter B. Shifts.
Letter C. Employee. The correct answer is letter A. Full-time. Number 7. It is used to describe a job that has lesser hours than full-time work.
Letter A. Colleagues.
Letter B. Supervisor.
Letter C. Part-time.
The correct answer is letter C. Part-time.
Number 8. It means that an employee can set its own schedule or time.
Letter A. Flex time.
Letter B. Employer.
Letter C. Colleagues. The correct answer is letter A. Flex time. Number 9. It is when the working hours are not the same every day.
Letter A. Full-time.
Letter B. Shifts.
Letter C. Employee.
The correct answer is letter B. Shifts.
Number 10. Working extra hours in addition to the standard schedule.
Letter A. Hired.
Letter B. Supervisor.
Letter C. Overtime.
The correct answer is letter C. Overtime.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Visit us on onestepenglish.com.